But we're over here at Shenandoah Valley and we are drifting. And for those of you that don't know what drifting is, basically the art of bringing your car sideways, usually with another car around, and it's gonna be judged. Basically up to whoever looks the prettiest and does the best job. Heather's here. Hi, Heather. Look at that. Frank, David, Darrell's over there. We got the taxi set up, Jack Motorsports. Oh yeah. Lots of fun happening today. Justin's here, Jake is here, Chris is here. We're gonna be doing this, going out, tandeming, we're gonna see how it goes. There's a little comp, starts at 2 o'clock. Fingers crossed Frank's wins. Yeah. Hey, is that first inner clip an inner or an outer clip?
Yeah, so it's supposed to be an outer clip, so we need to push it back a lot more. We had it pushed in, but...
Yeah, people are using it like an inner.
Right. We'll push it back.
Yeah, definitely widen it out.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, thank you.
Happy you're here, bro.
AMAMotorsports, guys. Check them out.
You're the man, Thomas.
Jesus Christ.
Is Thomas too wide?
Tommy's got some competition.
Oh yeah, he's been gunning for me for a while. Hell yeah.
The car is good.
Looks good.
Great.
So we got Dalton's ride here, and this is how he solved his frame rail rot issue. He just cut the frame rail and put a pipe in between, and then cut the other side and did. That'll do.
He's not.
Does that count as a pass? I feel like that was a pass. Thomas Miata, drift taxi guys. And we need to get ready because we're up next basically. Oh no! That blue thing, whatever. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother.
So proud of you, man. Killing it, brother.
What's good, DJ? Sorry, bro. What's up?
How you doing?
Boom. Boom.
You're killing it out.
Thank you, thank you. Fingers crossed.
All the toys today.
It looks good, bro. Hell yes. This is Scott with ST-Images. Sorry, I just got done running. You know I get crazy. Misfiring. All right, Tom's Miata here with the results of who I'm going to go against. And it's Alex.
Some close battles, man.
Oh, yeah.
Close battles.
So what does that mean? Me and Alex?
You and Alex, brother.
Oh, that'll be fun.
You and Alex.
Is that the next battle?
No, we're actually going to run 3-4, and then we'll run you guys.
All right, cool. I got a minute or two?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Man, I'm so
Thanks for
happy.
hosting the event, dude. It's awesome.
Glad you're having a good time.
So no matter what, am I in third at least at this point?
At least, yeah.
Something like that.
Oh, no, you're in second at least.
Something like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll see at the end when the bracket's typed up.
That's true. That's true. I appreciate you coming, sir.
The E36 is no Miata, but it gets the job done enough. It's a little sketchy with my homemade angle kit. Third place battle. Good job. That was a great run. Jarrell doing his thing. Jarrell's gonna jump in for the final battle.
I'm ready.
Hell yes. And we're gonna be going up against Alex whenever he decides to get on track. Call 5 minutes now, Alex. Where are you at? Good job.
You and me in the
Good
end.
job.
You got to win, man. You totally got this.
You'd have had it if you hadn't had a mechanical failure.
Dude,
This car's so much faster than mine, dude. Cool. Even with those scrubs on. What the heck?
I appreciate you guys. It was an awesome comp. Holy shit. Round of applause, man. You guys put it on, dude. Hell.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
All right,
Yeah.
third place to Mr. Collin. Awesome drive. Amazing run. Ooh, this one's tough. This was like the toughest fucking battle I've seen. It wasn't so hot.
You should do first, eh?
Right, I did 145 all day.
Do the first place first.
First place first. I love you both. Second place, Alex.
Good job, buddy.
Motorsports. Yeah. Mr. Thomas Miata. Place first, baby. Give a hand for everybody.
Oh yeah, buddy. On the podium together.
If I had champagne, you'd be getting sprayed. You'd be getting.
I got some for you.
Oh, nice. That'll work. I'm gonna smell good for the drive home.
Thanks everybody for competing. I appreciate it.
Thanks for holding the event.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man.
Thomas Miata, taxi. First place. Dude. Hell yeah.
Open laps, yeah. Everybody's good.